Hey guys, this is Monkey Gaming here. I will be showing you how to use the electric furnace. So you will need a regular power source like wind turbine, solar panel, or generator, and you will need these storage adapters as well. 2 boxes. And you will need these electric conveyors. So it will be transferring everything from where it needs to go. It will need power. So you can change it to anything that you want, like sulfur or metal or even HQM. Just like that. And you will also need the wrench tool. So I'll put to that. Conveyor. Out. The other conveyor. Then that will be all you need to do for the electric furnace. You will not need any wood or anything, which you can put wood in there if you need that will work. But if you can see what I have done, this is how you set up the electric furnace. I will be doing another video on the industrial crafter for the workbench. If you do have a workbench, you will be able to do with the industrial crafter. I will be doing another video on that. Monkey Gaming going off.